Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So today's video is sponsored by Fansells, and I have 3 new items to share with you today. We have something storagey, but I'm actually going to wait on that one. I'm going to start with the diamond paintings. I'm very excited for storage, but I am going to wait, and I'm going to have a nosy at the diamond paintings. It's been a little bit since they were ordered. We've had Christmas, which of course makes your brain feel like you've done loads. I'm just trying to find my tape measure, and I've got a feeling it's in another room. Bear with me. Okay, good start to the video. I now have my tape measure. It was on the table. Measuring parcels. The joys. Okay, first ones first. Oh, I remember what this one is. So, I have had a very similar one to this before, but in blue. This one is in pink. It's a 30 by 40. It is a special diamond painting, and the link is in the description below, but you should click on it. It looks amazing when it is all done with rhinestones. Beautiful it is. So it does actually come with a DMC code, though they've either got a Z in front of them, and there's only actually a couple that start from 150 onwards. Many of them start with like 1 or 6. The actual size is just short of 35 by 25 for the actual drill area. It is sort of as full drill as a special diamond painting tends to get. Well, actually no, you can get them fuller than this, but there is quite a bit of spacing, but it still fills the area, if that even makes sense. It comes with a toolkit that you also get tweezers with, and you do get a couple of different sizes. So there are 4 diamonds that are slightly bigger. Let's start. So we have some silver, and then of course we have quite a few different gorgeous shades of pink to make this one up, and some reds, some yellows, blues, a little bit of black, red. We even have a little bit of purple, which sort of goes in. There's some different spots for purple. And then the bigger ones, we have 4. So we have a bigger in silver, 2 different shades of pink. They're still round, but they're bigger, and blue. And then we do also have another purpley pink, I'd call that one. More than a straight purple. That one is more of a purpley pink, to be a little bit different again. Trying to get my diamonds to try to allow them to go the way they originally were, in the hope that they'll fit back in the packet. Keep things tidy for a little bit, but that's number 1. I will pop a link down below, and you can always have a search for the blue one as well. Painting number 2. So this one is a bigger. I can't remember which one I got that was bigger. Oh, yes. See, the pictures come, and then I look at the top and I'm like, oh, yes. So this is a 40 by 50. It is a round, and I just thought the image was gorgeous. A nice winter image. Slightly, well, you could class it as Christmassy, but I don't necessarily think it is. I think it is just purely winter. We just get red in our head, or at least I do, for Christmas. But I just thought this was so cute. And I love the design on the hat and the nice big scarf. You do get 2 toolkits, so you get 2 trays, 2 pens, 2 lots of wax, in case you're a sharer. It does come with DMC numbers. There's actually 24 colours in this one. And the actual diamond painting area is 35 by a little bit short of 45. But it's a really nice size. There is a section here that is all one colour, but then it does become a scattering of about 3 or 4. I'd say 3 different shades, maybe going into 4 as you get near the trees up here. So you have got quite a bit of confetti up here. So if you can see, that's quite a bit of confetti-ish that keeps your interest and stops it just being straight lines. But then you do have a block of the white. But it's varied enough. And oh, it comes in baggies. I like it when they come in baggies. Look at that for some gorgeous, cosy, even though it's snowy, cosy red and greys and whites. Gorgeous colours. So that is a painting number 2. Let me see if I can move that out of the way. Find a home for that over there. So we can have a look at item number 3. I love it when new storage comes out. I think a few of my upcoming, I know I've definitely got another upcoming storagey type thing. It's more of a tool. It's a mixture between tool and storage. But I do want to see what this storage case is like. So this is a bit of a smaller one. It does come in a bag, but it's not as much of a hard bag. It's more of a soft bag. It's still got some rigidity to it, but it's not as rigid as, say, these ones. This is more of a softer top. So it's a little bit of a different type case pouch. Does come with the foam, or we do have a dot that's gone rogue. But these pots are actually a bit different. They're similar. They've got, can you see the little teeth inside there? They've got, you get that on some of the wax pots. Let me see if I can find one. I'm sure I had a wax pot that had teeth. Yeah, so I've got a wax pot here that's sort of got those teeth inside it. But this is, of course, a lot bigger. So that's the size of a wax pot. So it's wider than these ones. So they're wider pots, but they're shallower. But they may well fit the same amount of diamonds. You never know until you try. But they're a nice, decent sized pot. To say, I do have a rogue dot. We get 15 in here, so it's nice for some of your smaller diamond paintings, or maybe you can get 2. And then you do get some extra toolkit bits. So you get 5 green trays and 5 lots of wax. You do then get 3 pink pens. They've all got a single placer on one end, and then you've got a 3 or a 4 placer. I'm trying to see if it actually says. It doesn't. So a 3 or a 4, a 6 or a 7. I think it looks like a 3, a 6 and a 9 is what I'd say off the top of my head, but I've not put them next to diamonds to check. And then you get one of these jobbies. These are very good for straightening up your diamonds. So if you find that you've done a row, or you need to nudge some diamonds across, these are very good for sometimes just straightening up your rows of diamonds. If you've gone a bit, you know, a bit quick happy, and maybe some of them aren't lining up as much as you'd like, these are pretty good for giving those a nudge. And then you do get some dots, of which a couple of them have decided to stick themselves anywhere in case you do want to use these dots to label them up. But I love storage, so I'll be sure to use that in a new painting upcoming this year. But just to confirm, we have the gorgeous girl and dog, the toolkit, and the Special Diamond Rose. I will of course pop links to them all down below in case you fancy treating yourself to something this January, if something's caught your eye. But I like the fact I've started the year with some new storage. That's always good for me. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.